Good morning, y'all. Talbot here, 5D Lifestyles. Today we're going to cook up some fungus. Oh, delicious, glorious fungus. Look what the grow rooms brought me. Lion's mane. It's such a beautiful mushroom. This is one of my favorite mushrooms, edging in shiitake for my favorite mushroom. I remember the first time I ate these was at Paul Stament's house, and I was blown away. These things are really, really good, and you don't eat them a lot because you need to either be near a grower because they don't ship well, or grow them yourselves, right? And so we can talk about both of those things over time. But the beautiful thing about these lion's mane mushrooms is, one, they're so unique. They're so unique looking, and they're so unique tasting. They taste kind of like crab or lobster, same texture. They're very, very really delicious. And they are becoming quite the buzz lately because they are really good for brain health. They have nerve growth factors in them that help stimulate nerve growth and brain growth. So they're really, really good for you in both an extract form, or they're delicious to eat. I highly recommend them. Look at how beautiful they are. And so I'm going to show you how to cook them because, you know, they're a little daunting to people because they don't look like your traditional mushroom. You know, they look unique and weird. The Latin name is Heracraceus ericenes. I really need to get better at my Latin, but it literally means hedgehog, right? And they kind of look like a little hedgehog. Lion's mane is another name for them. Pompon blanc, I believe the French call them. But look, they kind of break off like little kind of separations there. And so there's a lot of different ways you can cook these, but I'm going to show you the way I like to. You know, if you get them from somewhere where the substrate hasn't been cut off, pop off the substrate off the back. And then what I like to do is I like to kind of shred them up and fry them. They brown really quick, but the reason why I like to shred them up is because you can get in here and you can see how pretty they are when they grow. They're like all these little tubulars that shoot out and make these hairs. And so it's cool when these guys are babies. Guess what they look like? Brains, right? Isn't that cool, boys? Yeah. So this is how I like to do it. I like to tear them all up, and because it's just so pretty, and they break on the cell lines when you tear mushrooms. So some argue that the flavor stays in a little better.
The big one? Look.
So now I add a little butter in the pan. All mushrooms take good with butter. And then you're just going to pop them in there.
I'm falling in, Dad.
So get the butter all on them. I'm probably going to put a little more butter in. Mushrooms in general have a high water weight, so you can see how much they've decreased in size in just a little bit they've been in the pan. To help get out that water even more, I'm going to just add a little salt. I like to use a little bit of this Mine pink salt here. Salt will help draw out the moisture. So you can get a nice brown on there. And they do fry quick, the old lion's mane. Compared to most every other mushroom, is they brown real quick. So you want to keep an eye on them. I have overcooked them before, just because I'm so used to other mushrooms. But see, actually this pan is going to work out just fine. They've reduced quite a bit. It's just like a pan of crab. Cool. So boiling off, all that water's come off. Now we're getting close to brown mode. I like them slightly browned. You can see that one's already browned. It's all happening very fast, folks. You know, let them stay on one side for a little while. I've got it on medium heat. There we go. So you see that? After we left them for a little while, kind of all brown on that side, so I'm doing my best to flip them with a different spatula. I might have got a little better flip there. All right, y'all, so I'm bringing in the other spatulas so I can get under them, get a nice flip. So there you go. Look at that. Bam. Bam, you see that? Golden brown. I'll let the other side go, and then we're there. Ready to eat them. awesome. Cool, let's check them out. We are in there, folks. Definitely don't want to go any longer.
This is mine. This is mine. This is mine. Where's mine? Where's mine?
All right, y'all. So, very unique food to eat. I highly recommend it. I know a lot of y'all have probably never eaten lion's mane, but they're awesome. They're really, really good. I highly recommend them. Get a kit, grow your own, or live near me, and you can eat these on a regular basis. Hopefully. Well, all right, every once in a while. Sorry that I don't put it on more. You want it? Good? You want some or no?
Maybe. I want crispy ones. They're not really crispy ones.
I don't like them when they're super crispy. I like just browning them. Yeah.
Like that one. I like them crispy.
They're so good. They've got this this texture. It's just really unique, especially for mushrooms. They're kind of like crab. They really are kind of like crab. So, enjoy your fungus. I want to grow more of these. Also, take the extract of these, medicinal. Helps your brains grow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.